Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Arcasola. This is my beautiful wife, Maria, and we're happy to say we're building a Redford 3 house.
The best part so far with our experience with Shaw is I want to mention working with Brad actually. Our sales representative, he was very helpful and he was very quick to answer any questions, and I thought he was very personable. And the other best part, of course, is working with Shelly and trying to pick all the wonderful things that we're planning to add to our new house. And I think it's a very exciting experience overall. It's a challenge, but it has been a wonderful experience.
Yes, we were asked, in our opinion, what sets Shaw apart from other builders. Well, we don't have, this is actually our first time to build, but all I can say is even since the first time we called somebody from Shaw, well, they were already ready on what to answer, and we were already given instruction on who to see and where to go. And when we had our first meeting in a beautiful house, we were given an introduction on what to expect from building homes through Shaw Homes, and it was very detailed. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but for me, the positive outweighs the negative of the being too much, because everything is in detail, and we were happy that we were given such a very good instructions.
Yes, I think Shaw is very organized, and so we know what to expect. I enjoy watching Aaron's videos actually, because his videos tell us, what we need to know and how to prepare, so that way it would be an easier and more enjoyable experience for us in choosing what we want for our home.
We were asked if we know somebody that's gonna want to build a house, what advice should we give them? I think for me that's very easy. For me, I would recommend just go straight to find Shaw Homes,
A model home.
a model home, and they will direct you to from whatever you need from zero to, and they will make sure that you are satisfied, and they all have all the organization skills, structural, and they're very detailed. So, and all of them, we're very happy to meet them because they're very professional, and they know their stuff.
And I would advise to ask as many questions as you want. I know it's a very scary feeling to be building a house. It's sometimes it's overwhelming, but I think the Shaw staff are very good about giving us direction and advice. And so ask as many questions as you want, because they're there to answer you anytime. So